Job search platforms are now cutting jobs themselves. You really can't make this up. Indeed and Glassdoor are slashing off 1,300 people. That's like 6% of their staff, all because they're shifting to AI-powered hiring. And get this, even Glassdoor's CEO is out. Their parent company's going all in on Agentic AI, basically bots that act like recruiters, doing everything from resume scans to interview scheduling, like AI hiring AI. What are we even doing? This comes after thousands of cuts over the past 2 years, and then we're seeing the classic tech reorganization excuse being replaced by, we're investing in AI. Translation, humans equals expensive, bots equals fast, efficient, quiet, but scary, right? Especially when the platforms meant to help us find jobs are the ones saying, yeah, nah, robots got it. So, is this innovation or just corporate coldness with extra RAM? Let me know your take. Is your next job going to come from a real person or a line of code? Tap that follow button if you're trying to stay 3 steps ahead of the AI apocalypse.